Let's learn how to draw a cylinder. Grab your supplies of paper, pencil, and an eraser and practice by drawing a few circles to begin with. Notice how the top of the can is a circle until you tilt it away from you and it becomes an oval. This is called a foreshortened circle. The trick to drawing this is to draw a smile that looks like the bottom part of that foreshortened circle. Then complete your oval and then draw a matching smile further down to be the bottom of the can and connect the two sides. You can draw cylinders that are taller, shorter, or wider by just changing a few of those different parts of the cylinder. So now imagine a light source to the top right. It causes shadow on the side of the can away from the light as well as casting a shadow on the table. You're going to add some contour lines, which are kind of like smiles as well, on the side of your can that's in the shadow, as well as doing a little bit of shading and a little bit of smudging or blending to make that can look 3D. Then add some cast shadow where the shadow would fall onto the tabletop and do a little shading there as well. There's that sun source or light source. I drew it on my paper. And then have a little bit of fun. I'm going to draw in the lid. Actually, I'm making another foreshortened circle inside the other one to do that. Then I darken the lid up and I'm going to add a few details off of that front of that label, the logo and some wording. I'm going to curve it a little bit. Oh, I do love me some Oregon Trail Spice Chai tea mix. Maybe they'll send me some. Complete instructions for how to draw a cylinder are found at welcometonanas.com, along with other drawing tutorials. Come join the fun.